Welcome to the fitment video of EUROPA Electronic Lock L2 model. Inside the box, we can see the L2 lock along with its accessories. These are the required tools for fitment of L2 model: hand gloves. This is the marker for L2 model for its fitment on the door. Now we are going to place the marker on the thick side of the door. Make sure the marker is placed at the middle of the door. We have to mark the center point for each hole on the door as per the marker with a dot punch on both the front side and thick side of the door. After marking, we are going to drill on the door as per the shape and dimensions mentioned on the marker. For drilling, we require 15 mm, 16 mm, 25 mm and 30 mm drill bits. After drilling, we will go for the mortising process on the thick side of the door. This is how your door look after drilling and mortising process. Mortising process footage. This is the mortise lock body for electronic lock L2 model. 3 solid dead bolts, and this is the latch bolt. The specialty of this latch bolt is its rotatable type as per your door type, left hand or right hand. How it is rotated? This is a locking pin which we can disengage like this. Now, let's push the latch bolt inside with our fingers and just rotate it and leave it. Now we are going to insert mortise lock body into mortised cavity and fix it and screw with electronic screwdriver. Now, we are going to install this mortise lock cylinder. Now fix the mortise lock cylinder with its respective screw like this. Take the lock cylinder and insert the mechanical key through the keyhole of the cylinder and rotate it. Make sure this black solid part remains straight to the cylinder like this. Now, insert the cylinder from the outside face of the door through the cavity of the mortise lock body like this. Now we can see the mortise lock cylinder is properly placed. Make sure the keyhole remains on the outside face of the door. These are the panels of EUROPA electronic lock L1 model. This is the outside door panel, which has a touch screen display, RFID card facility, fingerprint sensor on the handle, and mechanical key opening on the front face. At the back face, we can see the wire connector and handle adjust mechanism. If anyone attempts to break the lock physically from the outside, the anti-pry theft alarm will be activated. The handle of the lock is adjustable as per your door type, LHRH. For that, we have to unscrew here with an electronic screwdriver. Loosen the screw like this. Now rotate the handle in the opposite direction and screw it. Now we are going to install the two screw extenders like this on the outside panel. The square rod has a spring-loaded locking pin like this. Now, cut its extra length as per your door thickness. Before inserting, make sure the side hole of this square cavity matches this slot. Now, insert the square rod into this square cavity like this and ensure the square rod is properly locked. This is inside panel of L2 model. Here we having a battery case, handle, and we are having a rotatable knob which helps to actuate the 4th deadbolt on the mortise lock body. At the back face, we can see the wire connector and handle adjust mechanism. Inside panel, the handle of the lock is adjustable as per your door type, LH/RH. For that, we have to unscrew here with an electronic screwdriver, loosen the screw like this, now rotate the handle in the opposite direction and screw it. Now, we are going to install the actuating strip for the knob. For that, we have to insert this strip like this into this cavity and lock it with a locking pin. Bend both its legs like this. And make sure the strip is properly locked to the knob by actuating the knob. Now, we are going to install both panels on the door. First, take the outside panel. Insert the wire through the cavity. Ensure the square rod and the lock cylinder are matched to their slot. And ensure the panel is properly placed. Now, connect wires between both the panels like this. And insert the extra wire into the door cavity. Before placing the inside panel, ensure both the square rod and the strip of this locking knob are aligned to the slot at the mortise lock body like this. Fix both the panels with these two screws. Open this battery panel like this. Now insert this dome-headed screw here. And the second screw at the bottom side. Screw it with electronic screwdriver. Now insert 4 alkaline batteries like this. Now, close the battery case. We can see our EUROPA electronic lock L2 model is completely fixed to the door. Now, ensure the proper functioning of the lock by touching the outside panel screen, actuating both handles from inside and outside of the door, and also ensuring the knob function by rotating it.